Welcome to Eva's ePad. In this video, we'll go through the basics of how to work with the ePad. When opening the ePad for the first time, this is the window you will see. This box gives a basic outline of the controls, and you can close it by clicking on the eye icon. To get tooltips, mouse over the icon and leave it there for a few seconds and a tooltip will appear. The boxes in the screen are all movable, and this allows you to create a working space that works for you. Click in the box you want to move and drag it to where you want it in the window. On the left, we have the video roll where you can watch videos in the background. Click on a video and it will come up in the screen in the background. To hide the boxes overlaying the video, you can click on the eye icon at the bottom of the thoughts box. To close the video, click on the eye icon at the top right of the window. All the boxes can be minimized by clicking on the minimize button, and you can move the box to a place in the window of your choice. When you have a thought you would like to ask Eva, type your thought in the input console, and when done, either press the input button or press the enter button on the keyboard. You will then see a new chat created in the thought box. To view Eva's answers, click the chat in the thought box and a chat box will open with Eva's answers. If you'd like to create a new chat, all you need to do is double-click the input button and a new chat will appear in the thought box. You can then move and resize the box by dragging the blue tab on the bottom right of the box. Type your next question into the input console and it will be added to the existing thread. The branch icon at the bottom of the box will create a new chat with your last thought. This is useful if you are having a discussion with Eva and want to keep some of the topics separate. If you click on the chat in the thought box, a new window will open. The chat box that's title is highlighted in blue is the active chat box. If you wish to copy a portion of the text, pin the chat box and highlight the text you wish to copy. If you wish to copy the entire chat, click the copy icon. Chats can be deleted from the thoughts box by clicking the delete icon. The opacity of the boxes can be changed by clicking on the opacity icon. To use the voice record function, there are two options available. The short voice command, this will stop recording when you stop talking. The long voice command, this will stop when it is deactivated. This is useful if you are having a discussion and you want to record all of it. Eva will then transcribe the text. Keep an eye out for new improvements, and your feedback is always appreciated.